While the US stocks rallied following Donald Trump's victory, shockwaves were felt through the global markets, with the US dollar strengthening sharply and the euro sliding in response. Investors are betting that Trump's trade policies, including potential tariffs on imports, will affect global trade dynamics, particularly with the European countries. At the same time, his proposed tax cuts are seen as a boon for the US businesses, spurring optimism about corporate growth and profits. More details in this report.
Truly be the golden age of America. That's what we have to have.
Trump 2.0 winners and losers whipped up global markets on Wednesday. In Europe, the Pan-European Stock 600 index jumped over 1.5%, on track for its biggest single-day leap this year. Leading the march were the so-called Trump trades, or the stocks which could benefit from Trump's White House. He's seen as bullish for European defence stocks, due to his warnings to scale back US military support in the region. Trump also wants to force NATO members to spend 2% or more of their GDP on defence. An index of Europe's aerospace and defence companies jumped 2.7% to a record high. Bitcoin surged to a fresh record, banking on a softer line on cryptocurrency regulation. But shares in European renewable energy companies were under pressure. Trump has said he'll scrap offshore wind projects through an executive order on his first day in office. In Asian markets, there was also a mixed bag reaction. The Shanghai Composite Index closed down nearly 1%. Trump has pledged previously to impose tariffs of 60% or more on Chinese imports and 10 to 20% on all other foreign goods. Japan's Nikkei closed up 2.61%, bolstered by chip and defence stocks. Meanwhile, in South Korea, the benchmark Kospi closed down over 0.5%. With many of the world's trade-dependent economies based in Asia, a Trump win could lead to major uncertainty in the region. Later this week, investors will turn their attention to the US Federal Reserve and the Bank of England's rate decisions. Trump's policies on immigration, tax and tariffs are generally viewed as inflationary, which could prompt higher US interest rates.